स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी द फूड पाइप या फिर उसे बोलते हैं इसोफेगस. द फूड swallowed food passes into the food pipe or esophagus. Food passes right from the food pipes. The food pipe runs along the neck. See in the figure you can see the food is shown and esophagus is there and stomach is there. There is a movement of food as the alimentary canal or the food pipe is moving, the food also passes downwards. See here it is written, and the chest, the food is pushed down by the movement of the walls of the food pipe. As the walls of the food pipe moves, the food also passes down. Actually, this movement takes place throughout the alimentary canal and the pushes the food downwards. Right? At times, the food is not accepted by the stomach and vomited out. Vomiting matlab, so we are getting the food is not digested in your stomach. जो उल्टी बोलते हैं, that is only the vomiting. The stomach is a thick walled bag. Its shape is like flattened J. स्टमक का शेप होता है J टाइप, फ्लैटन J, एंड इट इज़ वाइडेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द एलिमेंट्री कैनाल, बड़ा पार्ट है. इट receives food from the food pipe at one end and opens into the small intestine at the other. यानी कि it receives the food from the food pipe. कौन? stomach receives the food from the food pipe and that mouth is open towards the small intestine, means food passes from stomach to the small intestine. The inner lining of the stomach secretes mucus, HCl and hydrochloric, means HCl also we can tell. Its name is HCl, means hydrochloric acid, and digestive juices. The mucus protects the lining of stomach. Mucus, what it does, protects the stomach. The acid kills many bacteria in our body. Bacteria are the unwanted. Bacteria are killed and enters along with the food. Food के साथ जो bacteria enter होते हैं, that are killed by the acid. Which acid? Hydrochloric acid. Food and makes the medium in the stomach acidic. What it makes? Acidic medium बन जाता है and helps the digestive juices to act. The digestive juices breaks down the proteins. Digestive juices breaks down the protein. Right? The food pass हुआ stomach to the small intestine. What it happens? It breaks down. Complex में से simpler substance में digest हुआ and breaks down. Then it breaks down into to form the proteins into the simpler substance. उसमें से proteins form करेगा. Small intestines work we will see. The small intestine is highly coiled and the end is about 7.5 meter long. देखो डिटेल स्टडी करेंगे स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन के बारे में. स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन इज हाईली कॉइल्ड. इट रिसीव्स सेक्रीशन. उसकी लेंथ क्या है? 7.5 मीटर. इट रिसीव्स secretions from the liver and the pancreas. Beside its wall also secretes juices. Right? Walls also secretes juices. The liver is the reddish brown gland situated in the upper part of the abdomen on the right side. What is that? Liver is shown in that figure. You can observe it is that figure is a figure 2.2. above 2.2 figure you see and understand this. What is a 7.5 meter long? That is small intestines. Coil is there. Highly coiled होता है small intestine, और secretion of juices is also happening, and the reddish brown gland is situated in the upper part of the abdomen on the right side. Right side में जो होता है वो liver present होता है. Right? It is the largest gland in the body. Liver जो होता है वो सबसे बड़ा gland है. It secretes the bile juice that is stored in scale called the gallbladder. Right? In figure 2.2 you can see the bile plays an important role in the digestion of the fats. देखो हम लोगों ने क्या देखा? स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में बाइल जूस सिक्रीट करता है कौन? Thus liver. And where the liver is situated? In the abdomen. एब्डोमेन में राइट साइड, upper part of the abdomen on the right side. What is situated? This liver, and its color is reddish brown. See, the liver is reddish brown gland situated in the upper part of the abdomen on the right side. It is the largest gland in the body, and it secretes bile juice and it is stored in the gallbladder. The bile plays an important role in the digestion of the food. राइट, ये बाइल का भी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बाइल जूस सिक्रीट करेगा लीवर, तभी तो जाके फैट्स का डाइजेशन होगा. द पैंक्रियाज इज़ द लार्जेस्ट क्रीम कलर्ड ग्लैंड. इसका क्या है लीवर का? दैट इज़ रेडिश ब्राउन. एंड द पैंक्रियाज इज़ अ लार्ज क्रीम कलर्ड लोकेटेड जस्ट बिलो द स्टमक. स्टमक के आजू बाजू 2 ग्लैंड है. देखो वेयर इट इज़ exactly located we will see. Upper part में है liver and that is reddish brown abdomen. Above the abdomen there is a liver, and this pancreas is also located below the stomach, and that's its color is large cream color located below the stomach. The pancreatic juice acts on carbohydrates, fats and proteins and changes them into simpler forms. The partially digested food now reaches the lower part of the small intestine, where the intestinal juices completes the digestion of all components of the food. देखो इसमें क्या हो गया कि पैंक्रियाटिक जूस एक्ट करता है किस किस पे, मतलब प्रोसेस करेगा फैट्स, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, प्रोटीन्स पे एक्ट करेगा टू मेक. लेकिन कॉम्प्लेक्स टू सिंपलर में स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन ने भी वर्क किया, लेकिन पैंक्रियाज और सिंपलर में कन्वर्ट करेगा. रीचेस द लोअर पार्ट where the intestinal juice complexes the digestive of all components of the food. The carbohydrates gets broken into the simpler sugar such as glucose. जो carbohydrates होते हैं वो sugar में convert होते हैं, जैसे glucose, fats and fatty acids are there, and glycerols and proteins into amino acids, right? And today we will keep up to here. Next time we will start from this box. Okay, thank you.